honest opinion about Bauknecht 6330
Dishwasher machine.
is very good actually. We used it one time and the dishes were clean.
Yeah, it cleans with high pressure. I read about it in internet, and here is high pressure water sprinkles that clean dishes very well. Let's try it how it works. It's full of dirty dishes. We will put
A pill.
it in.
Close it.
Closed it and turn it on. And push the start. After 3 hours we will have a lot of clean dishes.
Yeah. So the dishwasher is finished and there's also modes on it. We used right now the mode 2. So there's an
All
eco
together.
mode for like,
For pans,
yeah.
for dishes and forks. For night
Oh,
mode, you can choose them here.
yeah.
For night and for glasses. And so on. And just to wet your dishes.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
I like it.
And when it's done, it also opens automatically.
Yeah.
Like so you can see it's done.
Yeah, it's open automatically, and now it's clean and dry.
Yeah.
We can show you that all things here are awesome. They are very clean, actually.
Okay, now.
And you can show them that they are awesome clean.
Yeah.
Ta-da! Like new one.
Actually.
Cool.
Cool.